keep moving. They're right behind me. Gotta get home. Don't die! Gotta get across the street. Gotta get creative here. Hang on! I'll get your help! Never mind. Now cross this thing. Oh no! Back it up! First mutants, now portals? I got a gun! I'll remember you, guy I didn't know. Now let's get busy. Bam! I think I'm getting the hang of this. Guy again. Okay, dude, stay above. Thanks, old guy. Okay, finally I can go home. Oh shit.
I just want to say we are very excited to share our new energy drink with the rest of the world in just a few short weeks. But tonight is all about you, Sunset City! All right! Enjoy me! introducing the first people on the planet to drink overcharge! Yeah! That's great!
No more job, no more uniform.
Follow me.
Who are you?
I'm Walter, the guy who just saved your ass. There's still a few survivors left in the city, but not for long. Take this. Watch it. They followed us. They're all yours, kid. Show me what you got.
What do you mean, show you what I got? Help me!
Nah, you're fine. Keep it up.
Quit judging me and help!
Not bad, kid. Meet me at the basketball court.
Why? So you can silently judge me some more? What is this, a test?
Damn right it's a test. I met other survivors like you. They were more trouble than they were worth.
That dead body over there? That one of them? Hey, dead guy. What am I in for here?
Break open that crate. Pick up the gun. Now, switch to your new gun.
That was the test? I fucking nailed it!
Wait here. Get ready to shoot some OD.
OD?
Overcharge drinkers. My partner Floyd says drinking overcharge causes their endocrine systems to go into overdrive. I'm gonna throw some overcharge onto the court. Get ready for the real test. The OD are addicted to that stuff. They'll be here quick. Here they come. Get on the fence, kid. You're still alive. That's a good sign. Come on, kid.
Hey, where's the cops? The National Guard? The news helicopters?
Wake up, kid. Fisco controls everything.
Can't we just call for help or something?
It's not that easy. Fisco cut off all communications outside the city. But I have a plan.
Fisco did this?
Not on purpose, but they're doing a hell of a job covering it up. Rest of the world thinks we're all dead from some kind of virus. Come on, we gotta keep moving. This here is Two Hat Jack. He makes weapons.
You sell me short, buddy. I'm a master craftsman. I make unbelievable shit.
Go ahead, kid. Fire a weapon.
You want more weapons? You come back with more overcharge. Deal?
Come on. I want you to meet Floyd.
Hey, who's this?
Our new partner.
Well, all right. My name's Floyd.
Intruders! Go on, kid. You know what you're doing.
Who are these guys?
Yeah, criminals who are the best way to deal with them, shoot first.
You realize that makes us the scabs of the scabs, right?
Just get out there and make sure you grind up high and bounce around. If you stand still, they'll murder you.
Okay, kid. Come on back. I'm gonna head out to the overpass. Put the kid to work.
Okay, I could use some more supplies. Head on down to the tracks. I'll explain on the way.
By myself?
Hey, I know there's some scary shit out there, but it's all in how you look at it. You tell yourself you're gonna have a good time, you'll have a good time. Am I right? But seriously, those motherfucking OD will tear you apart. Be careful. I marked the location of the parts on your map. Make sure you collect all of them. I used to be a Fisco scientist, head of the Extremophiles team. Those freaky little microbes are the secret ingredient in overcharge. Limitless potential in those things. I warned Fisco that they might be dangerous, but they blew me off. Didn't give me enough time for research. See, if you cook overcharge in a high-pressure vat and mix in just the right ingredients, you can get some pretty awesome shit. I call them amps. And trust me, you're going to love them.
Your street name isn't Heisenberg, is it?
Don't forget the parts.
Some more ammo.
I think you might have missed some parts back there.
Yep. I think I got them all.
There's another truck further down the tracks. Jump on the train tracks and grind to the next stash.
Just a scratch.
Hey, if you see any red barrels,
I've played my fair share of games. I know what to do with red barrels. Floyd, these guys with big juicy heads are coming at me.
those are OD that drank too much overcharge. They're called poppers. Best to shoot them before they get close. They're coming down the hill.
Okay, Floyd, I think I got them all.
Okay, come back to the brewery.
So, Floyd, there's one thing I don't get. Why would Fizco poison their own customers?
You got it wrong. The whole thing was an accident. The Fizco execs were so worried about competition, they rushed overcharge through government testing. They fucked up, and now they'll do whatever they can to protect their stock price.
We're not getting out of this city alive, are we?
Not with that attitude, we're not. I look at it this way. The apocalypse is our chance to be whoever we want to be. No bosses, no rules. I call it the awesome apocalypse. Apocalypse, apocalypse.
They're almost on me!
Alright, so I've been working on some things I call amps. I have some that are almost ready. I just need a few more things to finish them off. There should be some fizzy balloons out in the base. Grab them and bring them back.
Nice. Just two more. Okay, one more. Okay, that was the last one. Take the balloons to the amp chamber to finish the amps.
Yeah! Okay, now you have to equip those amps.
How? I mean, if this were a video game, I could just go to a menu or something.
Pay attention, player!
Why am I hearing disembodied voices?
Because you need to learn some shit. And studies have shown this is the best way. You equip amps on the character tab. There are different categories of amps. Select the hero amp slot with your new hero amp. Now, let's do your weapon amp. Select the weapon you want to amplify. Weapon amps can only be equipped on level 2 weapons. Choose a weapon amp to equip to the weapon.
Huh. I don't feel any different.
Oh yeah. Amps only activate when you fight with style. This is the style meter. It's your best friend. Use traversal combinations to fill your style meter. Bounce, grind, and swing. Stay on the move. Killing enemies while grinding, bouncing, and doing acrobatics also creates style. You need practice. Go to the parking lot and activate your first amp. Bounce on cars and grind on wires until you reach style level 1. Select the high fidelity. Now, go kick some ass! Mickey, your hero amp is now on the ground and roll into enemies. With this move, stop shooting and do what it says on the screen. Stop shooting and do what it says on the screen! Now you need to get to style level 2 to use your weapon amp. Grind and bounce to build up style. Amazing! Seriously. Now, test the weapon amp. Use the high fidelity weapon. Now, use what you just learned to finish off the OB. Different amps activate at different levels of style. Hero amps activate at style level 1. Weapon and melee amps activate at style level 2. Epic amps activate at style level 3. At maximum style, all amps go batshit crazy! If you just stand there and do nothing, your style meter will decay. So keep moving and killing! Stay with me, this is almost over. This is the combo counter. You get bonuses for multiple kills and traversal combos. The higher your combo counter, the faster you build up style. Kick ass! You're on your own now. Don't fuck it up.
Yeah! What? Now that's fighting with style. Come on back, I got some good news.
Right on! This is gonna be fun. When this stuff is cooked, I'll have an amp ready for you. The reason we're cooking this shit is to make new amps. Trust me, you want amps. Now remember, soon as this shit starts cooking, those OD'd are gonna come running. Most important thing, keep those motherfuckers away from the vats. If you fail, don't worry. This is the awesome apocalypse. You always get a do-over. I set up some barricades and traps around the base, but those won't hold for long. Get out there and keep those OD from getting into the base.
All right, the last step is to turn the valve and start cooking.
front of them before they even get into the base.
Hey man, there's the outer barricade. There's a group of OP at one of the barricades. Use the flaming compensator to set them all on fire. Keep moving around the base. Grind and bounce, baby. Come on. You got a few different weapons now. Use them. Don't let them get past the barricade. There is the base. We can't let them get to the back. They're breaking down the inner barricade.
Use the wires above the ground to move and shoot.
At night.
Distilled overcharge is very sensitive to UV light. I've had some accidents trying to do this during the day. Keep moving around the base. Grind and bounce, baby. Come on. Set that herker on fire with your flaming compensator. Then switch to the dirty Harry from Big Damage. Final stage of amp creation. Get ready for crazy time. To try and hold out until the timer reaches 0. When it does, we're all done. Don't let them get close to the bat. Our bats are under attack. Okay, we're almost done.
You did it!
Hey, it's still at Jack. I updated my...
Holy shit, those VFX were bitching. Sorry, I didn't tell you about the big end of night explosion that wiped everyone out. I didn't want to ruin the surprise. Good news is, it worked. Okay, some amps I can cook up quick. You just gotta bring me the ingredients and I can give you the amp right away. Just go to the amp chamber and drop off the ingredients to get your amp. You'll find amp ingredients all over the city. Here's your shopping list. Fizzy balloons are filled with hydrogen fluoride, a super acid to help kickstart the reactants. Smelly ass shoes are a potent source of sulfur dioxide. Camera lenses can help isolate the extremophiles. Neon signs can give me some radically ionized particles good for organic conduction. Pranksters TP'd the city. Stupid, but works in our favor. Toilet paper is the perfect catalytic substrate. If you're having trouble finding any of this stuff, Two Hat Jack sells maps with their locations. Some amps need a little more time to cook. You'll have to defend the vats while we make those. I'll call you and let you know when I need your help to protect the vats. Be sure to equip those amps and let me know how... You like them? Hey, you know what? These Santa-Bots have some kick-ass cleaning fluid inside. If we break it open and get the fluid, we can use it to give our vats a deep cleaning. That means better amps for you and better research data for me. Go ahead, bust this thing open and get the cleaning fluid.
Going.
Watch it. Incoming. Get over here and help me fend them off.
You now have a melee amp and an epic amp. I'm gonna give you one last treat. Here's 60 seconds of batshit crazy style. First one's free.
They're coming from the other ramp.
Asshole! Deserve that!
Staying off the ground and constantly moving is the best way to survive.
Shit! I'm hurting! I'm empty. Shit, those records are sharp.
Jump on something that bounces you in the air, then shoot those guys. Not bad. Over here, kid.
What is that?
It's a glider. Once I'm over the walls, I'm going to expose Fizco's lies and make them pay for what they've done.
You really think it'll fly?
I know it will, as soon as I make a few more adjustments to the launch mechanism. Wrench. Okay, I need you to lift up the carriage a bit more.
Like this?
Now keep it there while I tighten this. Don't let go.
I might have to let go.
Not yet.
I have to let go now.
No!
Yeah, did you see that? You're lucky I was here.
What a fuck up.
Yeah.
I meant you.
Well, what was I supposed to do?
Damn it, man.
Of course it's my fault. Thanks, Dad, who's not my real dad. Guess I'll just head back to the base. Maybe I can help him rebuild the glider. Wish there was a quicker way to get there. Yep. That was easy.
Don't worry, man. He's been pissed at me plenty of times.
It's not like I did it on purpose. I want to get out of this city just as much as he does.
Hey, let's make lemons out of this lemonade. He's got to rebuild, right? Hardest part is going to be the propeller. Why don't you head over to the old factory district, have a look around?
I need to find a propeller. The propeller has blades. Guess I'll start at the old Crown Blades factory. Yeah.
Hey, as long as you're out there, try getting some combos and building up style. Use those amps. Trust me, amps can make or break you out there.
Hey, who is that? Ah! He didn't have an icon dealy thing on his head, so am I supposed to chase him?
Yes, you should follow him.
Yep. Okay, scary, helpful voice man. Should be another way around. Get away from me! Wait, it's dangerous! Come back!
Are they gone yet?
That was amazing. Are you like a superhero or something?
What?
It's just the way you move, the things you do.
Well, good luck, kid.
My name's Sam, but since you saved me and all, let me do something for you.
Nah, not unless you know where I can find a propeller.
A propeller. Wait, wait. I have an idea. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Follow me! We gotta get out of here. Follow me! Oh man, what is that thing? It looks dangerous.
I'll take care of it.
Watch out! More of them! Let's go through the shipping yard.
Sure, what could go wrong?
Up there, on the shipping containers.
Hey, how's that propeller search going?
A little busy right now, Floyd. I found a guy that might help.
All right. Well, you just keep on keeping on then.
Wow, you're not bad.
Yeah, it's amazing what you can do when you don't hide in shipping containers all day. Look out!
You're my hero.
That's cool. I'm not taking any sidekicks right now, though.
Go ahead, I'll follow you. Oh my god, we're stuck. We're never gonna get out. We're all gonna die.
Oh my god, you're right! We are going to die!
Wait, really?
No.
Okay, we're just going in circles. Think, Sam, think.
Here's the plan. We're gonna railjack that train.
That's brilliant! And how lucky that you can drive a train!
What? I can't drive a train.
Then why would you even suggest stealing a train?
Because we're about to die.
Well, in that case, I have played several hundred hours of Choo Choo Simulator.
That sounds boring and awful, but potentially life-saving.
They're breaking through that barricade! Look, here they come! Now we're really gonna die!
Out of ammo! Out of ammo!
You're like a tornado of death!
Yeah, aren't tornadoes the tornadoes of death?
Let's clear! Let's get out of here. I'll see if I can get the train started. You check the train for supplies, and keep the OG off me!
Check the train for supplies. What the hell does that even mean?
I don't know. Build a weapon or something.
Oh, okay. Huh, let me see what I can put together. I guess this was heading to Toys for Terrorists? One of these. Some of this. Some of those. Cute and explodey. Like chocolate and peanut butter. just drove a freight train.
I did.
Drove the shit out of it.
I saved us.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Come on, our safe house is just down the street.
So, Sam, what were you doing with that factory all by yourself?
Oh, you know, looking for supplies for me and my friends. They send me out because they're all doing other important stuff back at the base.
Important stuff? Like what?
I'm not really sure.
These friends of yours, are they really friends?
I like to think so. We were all students at Oxford West College.
Oxford West? Isn't that the school that all the rich and famous send their kids to when they have to go into rehab or whatever?
Yeah, but it's a great school. I got a scholarship, the only scholarship. Everybody else paid their way in. Anyway, when the OD attacked campus, only a few of us made it out alive. One thing before we go in. My friends are having a hard time coping, so go easy on them. If we can get everyone working together, we're gonna make you an amazing propeller. Hey guys, I want you to meet my new friend.
Shut up, Sam.
You suck at friends, Sam.
They're not bad people, they're just spoiled. They don't know how to deal with a mutant apocalypse. I know how to make them come around. If only I could get them to listen to me. Maybe you can help me help them.
You want me to be your life coach?
Yes. What should I do first, Coach?
Step 1, never call me coach again. Step 2, never do that again. Step 3, let's see what your friends need to get upright and start working on that propeller.
You with those preppy kids? My friend Callista's there selling clothes and stuff. You go see her if you want to change. Oh, and listen, don't be afraid to try new things. You never know what's gonna fit until you try it on. On that philosophical note, bam, I'm out.
So, am I invited to your birthday party, life coach?
And I'll give you a fortune.
Awesome friend?